Yes, so dear students, let's go next. Here is the second question, beta. What is the second question? See carefully. From mains 2021, form differential equation of y square equal to 4a into x plus a. See here. Y square equal to 4a into x plus a. So see, what is the main challenge? As I had told you, beta, that in order and degree, you have to be very careful how to make it free from radical and fraction, right? Then only you can answer it correctly. In order, it is all clear, you know very well that just you have to differentiate maximum number of times. All right, so when the question is given to you of formation of differential equations, you have to be careful at the arbitrary constants, because students do mistake here. They count the arbitrary constants wrongly, incorrectly, and they get wrong answer. I will show you one example. See here. This is the mains 2021, very interesting and very important PYQ. So let us understand from here, beta. See, this is the parabola which is given to you, right? So see here, y square equal to 4a into x plus a. Clear now? So if this is given, one student will think that arbitrary constant is only 1. Other student will think there is 2. There is a logic also. See here. Y square is equal to 4ax plus 4a square. One student will think like, okay, a is only the arbitrary constant, so this and this only 1. But that is wrong, beta. If a is the arbitrary constant, then 4a and 4a square both are different, so they will be counted as 2. So that is the main thing here. When this question came in 2021, many students who are conceptually weak, so that's what we focus every time when we teach you. When we taught you degree, I told around more than 10 times. When I taught you this formation, I told you arbitrary constant, and I will explore more about this counting of arbitrary constants in the coming time. Just be careful and note down the important points, right? Let's come here. So we identified there are 2 arbitrary constants, that is 2. Don't think a is only 1, no, 2 arbitrary constant, because see, this is a constant into x plus this, so both are different terms. If it is given 4a plus 4a square, then you should count 1 only. Why? Because this is also a constant, this is also a constant, constant plus constant, yes. Here if you will count it as 2 arbitrary constant, you will get wrong answer, beta. Or if it is 4a into 4a square, then also count 1. Why? Question is clear to all. Why 1? Because constant into constant is constant. Similarly, if 4a minus 4a square, then what? How many you will count? Again you will count 1 only. 4a divided by 4a square, then also you will count 1. But sir, here why we are counting as 2? See here, if it is 4ax square plus 4ax, then think logically, beta. We are the logical people. Maths is the most logical subject, right? See here x square coefficient, so I will count 2. And if I say plus 9a, then I will count 3, because this is not constant. This is x square coefficient, x coefficient, constant term. So 1, 2, 3. If this is gone, then 2. If both are gone, then 1. I hope everybody is clear here now. So here we have 2 arbitrary constants. So we are going to differentiate 2 times. So see how we are going to do. 2y dy by dx. This is 4a. So here we will divide by 2. We will get y dy by dx. This is 2a. Right? Then we will differentiate one more time. Y into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx into dy by dx, that's equal to 0. So we will get y into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx the whole square equal to 0. That's the differential equation, beta. And that is what you will see in the question, in the option. Okay. Understood? Everybody is clear till here? Yes, so that's the answer. Alright, so this was the second question. Now we come to third question. See, many of you must be surprised that why I am taking 1998. Why I am taking this 1998, this much old PYQ. Right? So, just to clear your concept of counting total number of arbitrary constants. See here. Yeah. Y is equal to C1 plus C2 into cos of this minus this. C. First of all, simplify. What happens? Students say C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. 5 arbitrary constant. What is the order? 5. Why? Because 5 times you have to differentiate. So what is the maximum number of times we have differentiated? That is 5. So as many number of arbitrary constant, as will be the order. But see, here if you have counted 5, actually we have counted it wrong. How? See here. Constant plus constant, it is 1 only. So C1 plus C2, I will say lambda 1. Right? Cos of this, cos of A plus B, expand. Cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. And here minus C4 e power x and e power C5. Right? So y is equal to lambda 1 into cos C3 into cos x minus lambda 1 sin C3 sin x. Then we have minus C4 e power C5 and e power x. See here. Lambda 1 into C3. Again constant into constant. That will be one constant. So we will say A cos x. Lambda 1 sin C3. Again one constant. So that is minus B sin x. C4 into e power C5. Again one constant. So it is plus C into e power x. So see here. How many constants? 1, 2, 3. You have to differentiate it thrice and its order will be 3 only. So they were asking order. So here answer was 3. But A option was 5 beta. 90% of the people picked 5. So that is what you have to be careful. If you are solving the JEE mains question and you are getting the answer as the A option, check twice. You have missed something. Because we are the one who are observing the paper. So A option they are putting very intelligently. Like, what is the most basic fundamental mistake students do? They will do that mistake, and after doing that mistake, what answer will be coming? That answer is put in the A option. Okay, so always be careful, beta. Yes. So this question is clear now. Third question. Let's go next. Yes. Form differential equation of family of curves. See, it is looking like the same question, but it is different actually. Because there it was, in the first question it was y square equal to 4ax plus b, but here it is x square equal to 4by plus b. So we are going to multiply, so x square equal to 4by plus 4b square. We got this. Clear? Again, one arbitrary constant, another arbitrary constant. Total two arbitrary constants. So we differentiated one times, then second time, and when we differentiated second time, we got the value of b. This b we will put here. Right? One time differentiated, we got this. From here, again differentiated, so we got 2 equal to 4b into y double dash. So b is 1 by 2 y double dash, that we are going to put here, and after putting we will get this. That's the differential equation, and that's the answer, beta. Clear? Understood? Yes, so this is how questions they are making in your mains examination. Alright, one more question we are going to see. Oh, not one, two more. Yes. See, what is the question? Differential equation. I will clear it so that we can think this question from the scratch. Right? So see, beta. Differential equation representing family of ellipses. So you have to say the differential equation which is representing family of ellipse whose foci is either on x-axis or on y-axis. See, when you read about ellipse, the type 1 ellipse has the focus on x-axis, type 2 has focus on y-axis, right? So if its foci is either on x-axis or on y-axis, center at origin passes through this. Alright. So see, let's think it is the case 1. So x square by a square plus y square by b square, that is equal to 1. Right? So that is the ellipse whose foci is on x-axis. Right? So form the differential equation. Here you will see total two arbitrary constants, but they told passing through 0, 3. So if you put 0, 3, in place of x 0, in place of y 3, so here you will get 0 plus 9 by b square equal to 1. That is, you will get b square equal to 9. If you put it here, you will get beta x square by a square plus y square by 9, that is equal to 1. Right? See, from here now, there is only one arbitrary constant. So you have to differentiate only once. So differentiate it. You are going to get 2x by a square plus 2y y dash by 9, that is 0. Now 2x by a square equal to minus 2y y dash by 9. 2 gone, a square is minus 9x by y dash. So this is a square, this you substitute here, and that will be your answer. Clear, everybody? Is it clear? Why not 1 by 9? It's also a constant. Yes, good question, beta. Good question, good question. Why not 1 by 9? See here. We cannot take 1 by 9 because here we are not talking about constant. We are talking about arbitrary constant, beta. Right? Arbitrary constants. So arbitrary constant means apart from xy, any other like a, b, c, lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, like that. Yes, so many live students are asking very good questions actually. I really appreciate it. Yes, Dharya. Good, 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 good. Dharya beta. हाँ, ये क्लास जो है, this class is for JEE mains. Yes, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel so that I can see you again. And you are very interesting. Your questions are very interesting, sir. You are a pro. Okay, thank you, beta. Yes, anyone else? Any doubt? Aryan. Yes, numerical values are not arbitrary. They are exact constants. Aryan. Okay? It's clear now? A, B, C, U, V, they are arbitrary constants and X, Y are actually variables. Right. Anybody else has any doubt? No. Very good, very good. Lovely, lovely. Alright, so should we go next to the next PYQ? Yes, here is our fifth PYQ. See here, beta. Find the difference between degree and order of differential equation. Find out the difference between order and degree of differential equation that represents family of curves y square equal to a into x plus this. So if y square equal to this is given, so y square equal to ax plus a root a by 2, right? First of all, we will make the differential equation. Again, see, ax plus a root a by 2. Don't think a, so 1 only. No. Here it is not constant plus constant. Here it is one variable multiple plus one constant. So 2 arbitrary constants here, not 1. Okay, so 2 arbitrary constants. A y square coefficient is 2y y dash, right? This coefficient is 2y y dash, and here it is a only. So we got the value of a. That a is here, one time differentiated. Now differentiate one more time. So when you will differentiate one more time, you are going to get this, and this is the answer only. So if this is the answer, what is the order? Order is 2 because 2 is the highest number of times it has been differentiated, order 2, and it is already in the polynomial form, free from radical fraction. So if it is free from radical fraction, what is degree of highest order derivative? That is 1. So degree 1, order 2, degree 1. So that was your 2021 integer type PYQ. Alright. Lovely, lovely questions you guys are asking. I am actually enjoying this session. Yes, beta. So that's all till formation. If we see next is the topic solution of differential equations. That we will see in the next class. All right.